Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kikiam using tuna. First, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. You'll want to have your tuna, whether fresh or canned, along with various spices like 5-spice powder and binders such as flour and cornstarch. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This savory snack is a fantastic way to enjoy tuna in a new and exciting form. Now, let's get into preparing the tuna mixture. If you're using fresh tuna, make sure to flake it well and remove any small bones. For canned tuna, simply drain it. Next, combine the tuna with finely minced vegetables like onions, garlic, and bell peppers. Add your chosen seasonings, including salt, pepper, and 5-spice powder, along with your binders. Mix everything thoroughly until you achieve a uniform and cohesive consistency, ensuring all flavors are well distributed. Once your tuna mixture is ready, it's time to form and cook the kikiam. Take portions of the mixture and shape them into small, cylindrical logs. You can use bean curd sheets to wrap them for a more traditional presentation, or simply form them directly. Next, steam the kikiam for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are firm and cooked through. After steaming, let them cool slightly. Then deep fry them in hot oil until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are crispy on the outside. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade tuna kikiam. Serve them hot, sliced into bite-sized pieces, alongside your favorite dipping sauce. A sweet chili sauce or a spicy vinegar dip complements the savory kikiam perfectly. This easy-to-make snack is wonderful for parties, as an appetizer, or simply as a delicious treat for your family. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. We hope you loved learning how to make this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.